Apple has long dominated the smartwatch market, and with the second-generation Apple Watch Ultra 2, the company doubles down on the rugged, adventure-ready segment of its lineup. Built for athletes, outdoor enthusiasts, divers, and anyone looking for a durable and feature-rich wearable, the Ultra 2 introduces refinements rather than reinventions, and that's a good thing. With a powerful S9 SIP chip, a brighter 3000-nit display, deeper Siri integration, new gesture controls, and up to 36 hours of battery life, the Ultra 2 cements its place as Apple's most capable watch yet. But does it justify its premium price tag for everyday users? Let's dive into a full breakdown of what makes the Ultra 2 a standout smartwatch, and where it still falls short. Design and build quality. The Apple Watch Ultra 2 retains the 49mm aerospace-grade titanium case, offering a perfect blend of strength and lightness. It's slightly bulkier than the standard Apple Watch Series 9, but the larger size serves a purpose: more screen, more battery, and more ruggedness. Apple engineered this watch to be MILSDD 810H certified and WR100 water resistant, meaning it can handle everything from high-altitude climbs to recreational diving, down to 40 meters. The raised edge around the display offers added protection, and the sapphire crystal screen holds up well against scratches and dings. At 61.4 grams, with the Alpine Loop, it feels substantial yet surprisingly comfortable. The Ultra 2 ships with various rugged bands: Alpine Loop, Trail Loop, and Ocean Band, tailored for hiking, running, and water sports respectively. Display. The Ultra 2's always-on Retina display is now brighter than ever, peaking at 3000 nits, making it the brightest display Apple has ever put on a watch. This makes it incredibly readable in direct sunlight, a huge plus for outdoor use. The display is large, sharp, and beautiful. Whether you're glancing at a workout stat, checking a map, or reading notifications, everything feels more accessible. Night mode, which shifts the interface to red hues in low light, now activates automatically based on ambient light, a subtle but welcome touch. Performance and software. The Ultra 2 is powered by Apple's new S9 SIP chip, which brings improved speed, efficiency, and new functionality. Navigation through watchOS 10 feels snappy and fluid, with app launches and UI interactions happening instantly. Notable software and hardware features include double tap gesture. With a pinch of your index finger and thumb, you can answer calls, stop timers, or scroll widgets, ideal when your other hand is occupied. On-device Siri. Siri now works offline for basic functions like starting workouts, setting timers, or controlling settings, a significant improvement in responsiveness. Precision finding for iPhone 15 uses ultra-wideband to help you locate your phone with pinpoint accuracy. watchOS 10 includes redesigned apps, new smart stack widgets, improved cycling metrics, and mental health tracking. The OS also unlocks third-party apps for outdoor adventurers like Komoot, All Trails, and Oceanic Plus, turning the Ultra 2 into a wrist-based dive computer. Health and fitness tracking. As expected, the Ultra 2 excels at health, fitness, and activity tracking. It includes advanced heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen level tracking, sleep stages, menstrual cycle tracking, temperature sensing. What sets the Ultra 2 apart is its focus on adventure-level tracking. With dual-frequency L1 plus L5 GPS, it delivers incredibly accurate route mapping, especially in mountainous or urban environments. New to the Ultra 2 is expanded cycling support, including live power meter integration and FTP tracking. Runners and hikers benefit from custom waypoints, elevation data, and backtrack functionality, which retraces your steps in remote areas. There's also automatic crash detection, fall detection, and emergency SOS, features that can be life-saving in the right situation. Battery life. Battery life is one of the biggest advantages of the Ultra 2. Apple claims up to 36 hours of regular use, 72 hours in low power mode. In practice, these claims hold up well. With a mix of workouts, notifications, and sleep tracking, the watch comfortably lasts over a day and a half without needing a recharge. Low power mode still allows GPS tracking and health monitoring, which is great for long hikes or travel. Charging via the included USB-C magnetic puck takes about an hour to full charge, which is reasonable for its capacity. Connectivity. As a GPS Plus cellular model, the Ultra 2 supports full independence from your iPhone. You can make and receive calls and texts, stream music via Apple Music, use maps, mail, and more. This makes it ideal for runners, cyclists, or anyone who wants to leave their phone behind while staying connected. It also supports Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi, NFC for Apple Pay, and ultra-wideband for precise device finding. Real-world use cases. The Ultra 2 is incredibly versatile. For athletes, accurate tracking, rugged durability, and superior battery life make it a reliable training companion. For professionals, it doubles as a powerful productivity tool, syncing calendars, messages, and reminders effortlessly. For adventurers, offline maps, waypoint tracking, and dive computer functionality offer confidence in remote settings. For everyday users, health monitoring, messaging, and Siri improvements make it the most capable Apple Watch ever, even if you never leave the city. Pros and cons. White Heavy Checkmark Pros. Bright 3000 nit display, easy to read in direct sunlight. Durable titanium build, rugged and premium, made for outdoor use. Excellent battery life, 36 hours standard, 72 with low power mode. On-device Siri and double tap, smart, hands-free functionality. Ultra-accurate GPS, dual-frequency GPS is elite for runners and hikers. watchOS 10 enhancements, redesigned apps, widgets, and new fitness metrics. Great cellular performance. Stay connected without your iPhone. Crossmark cons. High price, premium cost not justified for casual users. Large size, 49mm case may feel bulky on smaller wrists. Limited customization, only one size, no luxury finish options like stainless steel or ceramic. Still no native third-party watch face support. Final verdict. The Apple Watch Ultra 2 is a phenomenal piece of wearable tech, arguably the best smartwatch Apple has ever built. Its combination of performance, durability, battery life, and cutting-edge health and fitness features makes it the go-to watch for athletes, explorers, and power users who need more than what the Series 9 offers. For the average user, the Ultra may second be overkill, both in terms of features and price. But if you're someone who wants the most rugged, capable, and future-proof Apple Watch available, this is it.